Superfoods for cancer prevention. Welcome to our video on superfoods for cancer prevention and curing. In this presentation, we will explore the potential benefits of superfoods, their nutrient density, and their role in a healthy diet. What are superfoods? Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's start by understanding what superfoods are. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide a concentrated dose of essential nutrients that can support overall health and well-being. Nutrient density. One of the key characteristics of superfoods is their exceptional nutrient density. This means that they provide a high amount of nutrients in relation to their calorie content. Consuming superfoods allows you to maximize your nutrient intake while keeping your calorie intake in check. Role in cancer prevention and curing. Superfoods have gained attention for their potential role in cancer prevention. Numerous studies have shown that certain superfoods contain compounds that may help reduce the risk of cancer. Now, let's explore the potential benefits of superfoods in cancer prevention. Numerous studies have shown that certain superfoods contain compounds that may help reduce the risk of cancer. These compounds have been found to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Superfoods for cancer prevention. Some superfoods that have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties include soursop, jackfruit, karimi, moringa leaf, soursop leaf, berries, cruciferous vegetables, turmeric, green tea, and garlic. Let's take a closer look at some superfoods that have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties. These include berries, cruciferous vegetables, turmeric, green tea, and garlic. These superfoods contain bioactive compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Incorporate superfoods today. Visit https://www.wellnesswarriorshub.com. Incorporating superfoods into your diet is a simple and effective way to support your overall health and reduce the risk of cancer. Consult with a healthcare professional to learn more about how you can incorporate superfoods into your diet and make informed